All right, so now that we have the fast and sump installed, everything is ran, we are going to prime this fuel system. Okay, what you want to do first is come down here to your fast. You want to grab the first filter. It's going to be your water separator. You're going to want it to where it's kind of loose, right? I'm going to come to the truck. Since this is a Dodge, you're going to have to bump it to get the fuel pump to kick on. Okay, and you're going to wait until fuel comes out and then tighten it up. Wipe off your filters. Let that pump run. Get all the air worked out of it. Clean off all the excess fuel that came out of that filter. Make sure there's no other leaks. It looks like we are good. So we are going to attempt to start the truck. All right, so now that we have the fast primed, we're going to go inside the truck and see if it starts.